Recite Namo Tassa 3 times. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Lesson number 12. Noun. Okay, please read this all the same. There are in the Pali 3 genders and 2 numbers: masculine, feminine, and neuter, singular and plural. We have learned so far masculine nouns akaranta and ikaranta, but we have to practice by yourself ikaranta, ukaranta, ukaranta and okaranta. According to the feminine, we have also learned feminine nouns akaranta. Remember still remember? Okay. There are other feminine nouns you have to practice by yourself: ikaranta, ikaranta, ukaranta and okaranta. Today I am going to explain the nama napunsakalinga, neuter nouns. They also we can divide into akaranta, ikaranta, ukaranta, etc. Now today akaranta, phala meaning fruit. Phala meaning fruit. Every day adivasetu no bhante phalani parikappita. Phalani parikappita. Phala meaning fruit. But later can understand what is the meaning phalani. Okay. Now Patamaya Bhakti, Noita Akaranta. Okay, please recite the. Today a little bit too cool. Reduce the. Cool, too cool for me, hot for them. Okay, now Pali stem sounds. Okay, please recite Phala, Nayana, Dhana, Dana, Sila, Punya, Papa, Rupa, Sota, Ghana, Pita. Okay. Patama Vibhakti, singular and plural. Singular, phalang. Plural, phala, phalani. Fruits, phala, phalani. Phala, phalani. Example, Tutiya, the Patama, phalang vasudhayang atti. Meaning, there is fruit on the earth. Okay? Okay, please write down if you need. last 2 more days, no? Before last today. Yeah, come back. Very difficult to give answer. Okay. Palang pala palani palang vasudhayang atti. Vasudha meaning earth. Vasudha, earth. Okay, next. Phala dutiya. Phalang, phale, phala, phalaniya. Here is a phalaniya. Phalang, phale, phalani. Not the phalayu, phalani. Phalang, phale, phalani. Phalang, phale, phalani. Palang pala palani, palam pale palani. The sentence ahang palang bunjisami. I will eat the fruit. Palani. A mistake. Okay. Next one. Already? Okay. Next. Tatiya. Phalena palebi palehi. With the fruits. Kanya kulena saha aranyang gacchati. Kanya meaning the girl, no? The girl. Gacchati meaning goes. Aranya meaning? Aranya? to the forest. Aranya, to the forest. Kulena saha. Saha meaning with. Kula meaning family. Kula meaning family. You see, check. The girl goes to the forest with the family. Okay. Next one. Karana. Sotena, sotebi, sotehi. Sota meaning ear. Mayang sotehi sunama. Meaning? Mayang meaning? Huh? Sunama. Sotehi. With the ears. Very good. Okay. Next. Chatutti. Palaya, palassa, palanang. Vanita kulassa suwannang dadati. Suwannam meaning gold, gold, gold. Gold. We are wearing the gold. Gold, gold. Kulasa to family. The woman gives the gold to the family. Sorry. Yes, to her family also can. To her family. Okay. Okay. Next. Panchami. Phala, palamha, palasma, palevi, palehi. Vanita, kulamha, moolang, ganhati. Meaning, the woman takes the money from the family. Okay. Chatti. Palassa, palana. Setti mama kulassa dhanang dadati. Meaning dadati, give. Setti dhanang. Understand? Oh. Okay? Too late. Traffic jam? On the way, traffic jam. Okay? Already? Satami. Phale palamhi palasming phalesu. Sentence. Twang hadaye rupang pasisasi. Something? Material. Oh, form. In the heart. Do you have Hadaya? Yeah? Oh. Heart base. You will see the form in your heart base. Heart. Hadaya meaning heart. Hadaya Vattu meaning heart base. Meaning Hadaya. Okay? This Noita Akaranta sound compared to the masculine Akaranta, only different Patama and Dutiya. Other all rest all are same. Yeah, very easy. Not easy? Yes. Yes. Oh, sure? Uh. Oh, wonderful, very good. I am very happy. Because 6 hours meaning continuous wholesome activities. 6 hours, no? If you not do this thing, if you not do the homeworks within the 6 hours, so many unwholesome activities arise in your mind, no? This is a good kusala, good service, good practice. At least you have increased the time. Maybe 10 hours is okay. This meaning you can get the 10 hours wholesome activities. But on the way, don't get angry, huh? Okay? Alapana. Kula, 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 kulani. Bho, kula, phalang, ganhatu. Dear family, please take the fruit. Very good, no? 6 hours, no? Very good. When I was studying, at that time, sometimes more than 8 hours, continuously doing. Continuously do the. Very good. Very good, very good. Because I don't know before. Tomorrow on the last lesson, no? But just now she told, no? If I know the earlier, sure I will give. I don't know anything. Yeah, this is. Uh? No, no, no. Everybody must do the exercise. Everybody must do. If you have the more exercise, you have the more benefit. You can get the more benefit. Yeah. Very good. Okay. Okay. This is a declension noita akaranta nouns. This is suffix. Okay. Please decide. What is the meaning Chaitya? Shrine, pagoda is a Chaitya. Pagoda. Pagoda is a Chaitya. Okay, recite. Sukha. Sukha meaning happy, no? Okay. Okay, please. Meaning? with the my family also can, no? Okay. Next one. Oh, meaning? Like war, no? Next one. Meaning? Pali? Oppress. Oppress meaning? Yes. Good. Pileti. The suffering. Dukkhang. By wisdom. Very good. Panyaya. Jnanena. Dukkhang pileti. Very good. Panyaya also can. Jnanena also can. No? Next one. The girls. Kanya or kanyayo walk charanti to the shrine. Chetiyang with the families. Kule he or kule be. Okay. Next one. Gahapati Puppang dadati. Puppa meaning flower. Flower. Next one. Meaning? Next one. Meaning? Brings. Aharati. The umbrella. Do you have umbrella? How to say Pali umbrella? Chatta, chattang. For the family, chattang. Okay? Kanya kulaya kulassa chattang aharati. Okay? Chattam meaning umbrella. Next one. Okay, plural sentence. How to translate to Pali? Kanya, kanya, kanyayo. Aharanti plural, no? Chatta or chattani. For the families. Kula. For the family. Kulanang. Always try to think. Example, masculine or feminine or noiter. Any time 4 and 2 or of. The plural always lone none. Remind the none. And always tatiya karana panchami plural, always abi ahi everywhere. Very easy to abi ahi everywhere. Okay. And dutiya ekavachana always kanyang purisang phalang always and sattami plural everywhere su, vanitasu, purisesu, palesu, like this su. Okay, this one kanya kanyayo kulanang chatte chattani aharanti. Next one sopana. Sopana meaning sopana meaning the poet comes down from the stair. Sopana, stair. Plural meaning stair. Okay. This one how to say Pali? Agachati, one girl. Aranyao, aranyamhao, aranyasma. Okay. Next one already here. No need to explain. The girls come from the forest. Yes, yes, okay. Kanyayo aranyehi agachanti. Very good. This one Susan meaning. Did you see Susan yesterday? Did you see Susan yesterday? Susan? You check what is the meaning Susan? Susana meaning? Did you see? No? Huh? Have you seen? Yes, okay. Yes, this is the modern, no? Before same. This is the modern way, different. Before just die, just throw to the forest or to the river. This is cemetery. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes. Yeah. No, animals eat. Huh? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Destroy. Okay. Okay. Next one. Have you been Pak Toya? Maybe already remember the cemetery in the Pau, in the upper lower monastery, behind the beside the road, no? Huh? Yeah. In Pau, never see. Oh, because never see meaning they. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Next one, Chatti. Meaning? The friend meaning mitto of the family, kulassa mitto. The shine, chetiyang, builds, karoti, builders. Okay. Next one. Kulanang mitta chetiye o chetiyani karonti. Okay? Understand? No understand? Sattami. Kanya vane ahindati. Vane meaning? Vana. Jetavana. Grow also can. Forest also can. The girl wandered the forest. Vani. Garden also can. Park also can. And grow also can. Grow. Jeta. This means the Vana means little forest, not the big. Aranya means very big and wild. They have the big tree, Aranya. We have the very big tree. Some very far from the village. Cannot listen the human sound. This is Aranya, real Aranya. Yeah. Okay. Next one. The girls wander in the forest. Okay. This one? Oh, very good. Maybe she is practicing meditation, no? Meaning? This means she is practicing meditation. Next one. Vanita o vanitayo aranyesu viharanti. Viharanti. Ramaniyani aranyani. Aranyani meaning plural, forest. Ramaniyani meaning beautiful. Ramaniya, beautiful. Can say beautiful. Beautiful forest. Okay? Alapana. Bho. I think the cooler, the printing mistake, cooler. Bho cooler chetiyang gacchatu. Dear family, please go to the shrine or pagoda to see the pagoda. Okay. Cooler. Yeah, this mystic. Next one. Kanyani Chetiyani Gachantu. This is a Kanyani, the dear girls. Yeah, but mystic. Yes, girls. Dear girls, please go to the shining room. Okay. Dear family, please take the lotus. What's the lotus? Now, don't have here any lotus. Okay. The kula padumang ganhatu. Padum meaning lotus. Any kind of lotus, any kind of, we can say lotus paduma. They're the blue color, so the white color and pink color, the two color, no? Paduma. Dear family, please take the lotuses. Bhavanto kulani padume ganhantu. Ahang padumang pujemi. I offer the lotus. Ahang paduma puppang pujemi. Paduma puppang, I offer lotus flower. Aham padumang pujemi, I offer lotus. Ahang paduma puppang pujemi, I offer lotus flower. I offer a lotus flower. Okay. Two nouns we can join together. Padumang, lotus. Paduma puppang, lotus flower. Okay. Okay. Okay, take. Did you receive the some nouns? 3. Yeah, very good. Masculine. First, I want to check all the notes. Masculine stem ending in a. Akaranta nara. Now you can see we already practiced before. Then the following nouns also have. Now very easy to memorize. On the way you can bring, on the bus also you can recite. Anywhere you can practice. Very good, no? This is a very good meditation object. Okay. Ikaranta, aggi, fire. Then similar following nouns also have. Okay. Next one, ikaranta pakki. I not teach, but you can understand quite similar to before. All are the nouns similar. Pakki, pakkino. Pakkinang, pakking, pakki, pakkino. Pakkina, pakki, pakki. Pakkino, pakkissa, pakkina. Pakkina, pakkimma, pakkisma. Pakki, pakki. Pakkino, pakkissa, pakkina. Pakkini, pakkimi, pakkismin, pakkisu. Pakki, pakkino. Okay. The following the nouns also have. Hatti, sami, kotti, dati, bogi. Okay. Papakari, setti, kari, sikhi, Sasi, Sarati, Bhagi, Manti, Digajivi, Sukhi, Bali, Chatti, Mali, Gani. Before we study Bali. Bali meaning offering items. Bali meaning who has power. Who has power? The lone Bali. The short Bali, offering thing. Bali, the powerful person. Okay, Bali and Bali different, na? Okay. Yeah, very powerful Bali. Yes, we can say Bali. Next one, Ukaranta. Garu, Garu, Garavo. Garung, Garu, Garavo. Garuna, Garubi, Garuhi. Garuno, Garusa, Garuna. Garuna, Garuma, Garusma, Garubi, Garuhi. Garuno, Garusa, Garuna. Garumi, Garusmin, Garusu. Garu, Garu, Garavu. Garu meaning teacher. Teacher. Bhikkhu, monk. Bandhu, Bhikkhu, Bandhu. Taru, Bahu, Sindhu. Parasu, Pasu, Aku, Uchu, Velu, Katachu, Sattu, Setu, Ketu, Sasu. This similar. Sorry, Susu. Susu meaning younger one. Younger. Why? Susu. Susu. Okay. Okay. Ukaranta. Vidu, Vidu, Viduno. Vidung, Vidu, Viduno. Viduna, Vidubi, Viduhi. Viduno, Vidussa, Viduna. Viduna, Vidumha, Vidusma, Vidubi, Viduhi. Vidussa, Viduno, Viduna. Vidumhi, Vidusmin, Vidusu. Vidu, Vidu, Viduno. Vidu meaning wise man or knower. The following nouns: Pabhu, Sabbanyu, Attanyu, Vadanyu, Vinyu, Mattanyu. Okay. Next one. Okay, last one. Sorry. Don't have okay. Okay. Feminine. Akaranta Vanita, woman. Okay. Number 2 feminine. Then we already practiced before. The following nouns quite many. Kanya, Ganga, Nava, Amma, Disa, Sena, Sala, Bhariya, Vasudha, Vacha, Sabha, okay, Darika, Lata, Katha, Panya, Valava, Lanka, Pipasa, Kuda, Nidda, Puja, Giva, Juha, Nasa, Guha, Chaya, Tula, Sila, Valuka, Manjusa, Mala, Sura, Visikha, Sakha, Sakkara, Devata, Dola, Godha, Parissa. Okay. Next one. This is a 3-month homework. Yes. You have, no, because now when I meet next time, it is very easy to reach me because now all I already passed earlier. Now you have to spend 8 hours every day. Okay, not enough 6 hours. Okay. Okay. Ikaranta. Bhumi, bhumi, bhumiyo. Bhuming, bhumi, bhumiyo. Okay, etc. The following nouns: Ratti. Ratti meaning night. Atavi, forest. Another new word, Atavi. Doni. Asani. Asani meaning thunderbolt. Thunder, Asani. Yeah. Kitti. Kitti meaning fame, famous. Yuvati. Sati. Mati. Kanti. Why? Mati. Huh? Malay. Mati. Mati. Mati, wisdom. Kanti. Anguli. Patti. Vutti. Vutti. Yatti. Nali. Dundubi. Duli. Vuddhi. Sometime according to the nouns, some nouns we can see the masculine side and neutral sound, the feminine sound. Both are the sound is same, but they use the two gender. Example na yatti, no? Yatti meaning walking stick. Before so we study yatti, no? Masculine, under the masculine, no? There's some nouns have, but they use the both gender sometime. Okay, don't worry. Same. Next one, ikarant. Kumari. Kumari meaning girl. It's similar nouns: Nari, Taruni, Rajini, Itti, Saki, Bagini, Dasi, Kukkuti, Kaki, Nadi, Migi, Sihi, Vapi, Pokkarani, Kadali, Gavi, Hattini, Brahmani, Sakuni, Mahi, Devi. Now you can see Nara meaning man, Nari. The masculine nouns change to the feminine. Nara, man. Nari. Taruna meaning young man. Taruna. Taruni, young woman. Now Rajini. Raja meaning Raja, king. Rajini, queen. Itti, woman. Okay. Now, yeah, Saki meaning Saka. Saka meaning the man friend. Sakayo. The different way. Now, Bhagini, sister. Bhata meaning brother. Bhata, brother. Dasi. Dasa. Kukkuti. Kukkuto meaning chicken. Kukkuto. Kaki meaning sea-crow. Kako, kaka. This is the crow, the male crow. Nadi is river. Don't have nada. Ganga also river. Nadi also river. River, old river. Migi, deer. Mig, Uh, see he, lion. See ha. Very good. Vapi, putang. Okay. This is no any. You see the according to the only the living beings we can see the feminine and this thing, no? Only living being, no? Yeah, living being we can say the feminine and the masculine. Only we can say. But the Pokarni, the pond, don't have the man pond, woman pond, no? Do you have? Have in Singapore? I don't know. I never see. Never heard. Huh? Huh? Okay. Kadali meaning banana, no? Banana, kadali. But don't have the man banana, woman banana. Don't have, no? Have? Okay. Gavi meaning cow, female cow. Go meaning go, ox. Go. Okay. Now, next Hattini. Hattini meaning Hatti. Brahmani. Brahmana. Sakuna. Mahi. Two meaning. Mahi meaning earth also Mahi. The one of the river in India, Mahi. They have the five longest five rivers. They have the five rivers in India: Ganga, Yamuna, Sarambu, Achiravati, Mahi. The five Ganga. We call Panchaganga. Okay. Devi meaning queen and Devo, no? Okay. Ukarant Denu. Same Denu yo. Denu yo. Then Yagu meaning porridge. Yeah, porridge. Now you can, if you want to offer to Buddha only porridge, you can say Adiva Setu no Bante Yagung. Also can Yagum Parikapita. The similar words Tarala. Tarala also porridge. Tarala. 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 Tarala also porridge. Yagu, okay. Kasu meaning pit. Vijju meaning light. Rajju, rope. Daddu, eczema meaning someone rash. Kachu meaning, what's kachu meaning? Kaneru. Yeah, because this is one kind of the female's elephant's name, Kaneru. That's why they give the special name Kaneru. Huh? Dhatu, Sassu. Sassu is a mother-in-law, no? Do you have mother-in-law, no? Huh? Okay. Ukarant Vadu. Huh? But we not put the similar nouns, maybe later we will put later. Okay, next one, the neuter nouns. Akaranta phala. Okay, quite many following nouns. Dana, Nayana, Dana, Vatta, Kula, 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 Kula and Kula. Kula meaning bank, bank of the river, bank of the ocean. Kula. Okay. Ikaranta. Atti, Atti, Attini. Atti meaning born. Okay. The same way, Vari, Akki, Sappi, Dadi, Achi, Ukaranta, Chakku. Chakku, Chakku, Chakkuni. Chakkun, Chakku, Chakkuni. Ayu. Next one, Danu. Madhu, Madhuka, Madhuka, Rasa Madhu. Madhura, Rasa Madhu, no? Mele, Madhu, Madhu also Mele, no? Madhu, honey, no? Yeah. Yeah. Ney, yeah. Ney, yeah. Asu. Ney, Madhu. Why? Yeah, EY. Asu meaning tear. Tipu, lead. Daru. Ambu. Vasu. Jannu. Vapu. Vattu. Jatu. Okay. Tipu. Yes. Pencil leaf. Okay. Sorry. Vapu. Yeah, is same. Bapu. Huh? Jatu, jatu. Vex, no, white color. Vex. Eh? Sailing. Huh? Huh? Yeah. Jatu, 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 jatu mean. Jatu, jatu. Jatu means, I know Sinhalese word, I don't know, I check English. Jatu. Yeah, sailing was. Sailing, sailing west. Vex. Yeah, WAX, Vex. VAX, Vex. Mm. Yeah. Okay? Mm. Vex. Okay, you have to practice, huh? Mm. Okay, have 10 minutes, we can check our lesson, homework. Page number 20. Okay, because somebody spent the many hours, no? We have to explain. It is very good. Okay? Mm. Okay, please check, recite, please read the meaning. Meaning? Vanijayo vanijassa mama o mayang manayo vikkining. Okay? Next one. First English. Okay. Kone. Oh, dadimha. Oh, adadimha. Mayang dasanang amhe gone dadimha. Because we know. Oh, dadimho adadimha. Next one. Meaning? Tuang maya asing kino. Asing kino. Asing kino. Next one. Meaning? Okay. This is the you. Yeah, but your hands. Sometimes you can say, okay. Anyway, तुम्हें okay, okay, पानी भी, but your hand, तुम्हें भी पानी ही. Oh, okay, तुम्हें पानी ही also can, तुम्हें पानी ही और पानी भी. Okay, monkeys, kapayo, don't beat, न पहारत, पहारत, न पहारत. Next one. Meaning? Girimha, Sihang, Ahari, Ahari. Next one. Tava dhammang desesi. Next one. Meaning? Okay. Dadim ho adadim hai. Next one. Meaning? Our paddy. Our meaning? Which bhakti? Which vibhakti? Chatti or Chatuti or Dutiya? Huh? This Fedi belongs to whom? Our. At that time? Chatti. Chatti Bahuvachana? Ayya. What is Chatti Bahuvachana? Check. Huh? No. Fedi belongs to the our. Our means how to English Pali our. No, before the amhe ron. Amhang or amhakang. Amhe cannot. Amhang or amhakang. Because check the Chatti Bahuvachana. Amma pronouns. Chatti Bahuvachana. What is Chatti Bahuvachana? Chatti Bahuvachana. Amhang, amhakang, no. This meaning? This means amhang, vihing or amhakang vihing. Haringsu. Okay? Next one. Meaning? Twang, Udading, Na, Gacho. Na gacho. Next one. There are no gems in my fist. Meaning? Mayang muttimhi Manayo natti. Manayo natti. Mayang muttimhi manayo natti. Okay. Next in tomorrow. Okay. Next in tomorrow. Okay. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Idam me punyang nibbanassa paccayo hotu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.